Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable rank tracking with AccuRanker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AccuRanker account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Projects section on the left-hand side. Click on Add New Project to create a new rank tracking project. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Next, input your website URL in the provided space. Select the country for your rank tracking to target specific geographic regions. If needed, customize your project settings such as search engine and device type. Once you have entered all necessary information, click on Create Project. After creating the project, you'll be taken to the project. To start tracking keywords, click on the Keywords tab at the top. Now, select Add Keywords to input the keywords you want to track. Enter each keyword in the field provided, hitting Enter after each one. You can also categorize your keywords by adding tags for better organization. After inputting all keywords, click on Save Keywords to finalize your selections. AccuRanker will now begin processing your keyword rankings. This may take a few moments, so wait for the processing to complete. Once done, you'll see your keyword rankings displayed in the overview. To analyze your data, explore various sections such as Rankings, History, and Reports. Utilize the filter options to sort keywords. You can also set up alerts to notify you of significant rank changes. For more detailed analysis, consider exporting your data in different formats. With these steps complete, you are now enabling rank tracking effectively with AccuRanker. Regularly monitor your rankings to adjust your SEO strategies as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.